Great day! So I'm Michelle Ritzy M. Martos, 22 years old, and I'm a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, and I'm currently looking for a job to share my knowledge and skills that I learned during my undergraduate years. So for my academic background, I graduated senior high school for the year 2020, where I take the strand of Accountancy, Business and Management at University of Perpetual Help System Delta, Manila Campus. And I graduated Bachelor of Science in Accountancy for this August 2024 at National College of Science and Technology. So next, I would like to share my on-the-job training experience. So I became a student trainee with 400 hours industry practicum, which is related to accounting, with a position of on-the-job trainee last October 4 to December 29, 2023 at Caballero Laksa & Co. CPAs. So one of my learning experiences that I encountered during my on-the-job training was that I learned how to encode the official receipts and sales invoices, then classify it based on its chart of accounts. So this basic task is what I first learned during my first internship days. So for my next 200 hours, one of my new experiences there was to have a client visit. So during a client visit, me and my mentor performed our work duties there in the client instead of working in the Caballero office. And I also learned how to encode the expenses in the cash disbursement book and to encode the sales in the cash receipts book. And I also learned how to draft the financial statements, to draft the working income statement, and to draft the working balance sheet. So for my next 300 hours, I learned how to provide an audit to a client's sworn statement and its cash position. I also learned how to file in the ABAR forms, like the QAP 1601E for example. And it is also my first time to learn the alpha list validation and to use the BAR leap. So for my last 400 hours, one of my new experiences there was to experience working in an audit season. So audit season is the busiest season in most accounting firms. And last December 2023, me together with my mentor and my co-interns, we encode, we vouch, we audit the sales and expenses of a client for 1 year. And that was my unforgettable experience in my on-the-job training because it took us 12 days to finish those four boxes of papers that has been given to us. So that's my on-the-job training experience that I would like to share. So next, what is my edge among other applicants? So to be honest, I don't think that I do have any particular edge among other applicants because we do have our different skills and abilities that other applicants also possess. So instead, I would like to share my skills. So I'm knowledgeable in MS Office application, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Being attention to detail, responsible, and willing to learn. And my reason why I should be hired was so that I can help with the different work duties in the company. I would like to try my best on how I can help the company, like for example, by applying my knowledge and skills that I learned during my undergraduate years. So once again, I'm Michelle Ritzy M. Martos, 22 years old, and I'm a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. So that's all, and thank you for listening.